Hello. If you are ready to become a self-reliant investor, this video is important for you. Today, we will understand why investors sometimes do not receive their dividends and how such dividends can be claimed. First, let us understand what unpaid or unclaimed dividends are. When a company declares a dividend, but due to the reasons like incorrect bank details or address issues, the amount does not reach the investor, it is known as unpaid or unclaimed dividend. Second question. What happens if the dividend is not claimed for 7 years? If the dividend remains unclaimed for 7 consecutive years, the dividend amount is transferred to the Investor Education and Protection Fund, also called IEPF. If the dividend continues to remain unclaimed for 7 years, the associated shares are also transferred to the IEPF. Third question. You missed your dividend. Thinking why? Many investors miss out on dividends because they haven't updated their bank account details in their Demat account. They haven't updated their KYC information after changing their address or contact details. They haven't deposited the dividend check on time. They buy shares and then forget about their ownership, especially in the case of physical shares. These things may seem minor, but they can be a major reason for missing out on dividends. Fourth question. What can investors do to receive their dividends on time? You need to keep a few basic things in mind, such as keeping your bank account details and KYC details updated. You should also check your investments regularly. Fifth question. How can you prevent your dividends and shares from being transferred to the IEPF? To avoid this, investors need to remember these important steps. Keep your bank account active and your KYC details updated. Regularly update your bank and KYC details with your depository participant. Ensure your complete account number, MICR code, IFSC code and bank number are correct, and also keep your KYC updated with your bank. And keep in mind that this is separate from updating your bank details in your Demat account. Regularly check the communications from your invested companies. If you don't receive your dividend, contact the company or its RTA immediately. Sixth question. How does IEPF help investors? The Investor Education and Protection Fund IEPF is a centralized authority that safeguards investors' interest by ensuring unclaimed dividends and shares reach their rightful owners. It provides a transparent process through which shareholders or the legal heirs can claim assets by submitting the required forms, details, and supporting documents. Safeguarding investor interest. As long as your assets remain unclaimed, IEPF safeguards them. Simplified process. The entire process takes place on a centralized online platform www.iepfa.gov.in. Investor education. IEPF also promotes investor awareness and financial literacy. Last question. Who can claim from the Investor Education and Protection Fund? Any shareholders whose dividends or shares have been transferred to the IEPF can file a claim on the Ministry of Corporate Affairs portal www.iepf.gov.in after providing the necessary details. This entire process can be completed online through the IEPF portal. So, if your or a family member's dividends or shares have been transferred to the IEPF, you can file a claim. So, there is no need to worry. With a little attention, the right information, and proper use of the IEPF portal, you can claim your assets yourself and become a self-reliant investor. Thank you.